Hey guys, it's me from Inspire Media. Welcome. Now we're going to talk about on how to open an account in TESDA online program. So if you want to have an additional skills or knowledge about anything else that you want to pursue in your career for the future, then I would recommend you to open an account in online TESDA because they are giving certificates online. Alright, so I'm gonna show you on how to open an account. So you have to type in TESDA online course, then it will show you and guide you through that website. So as you can see here, click this TESDA online program and they will going to guide you through their website. So this is the front view of their website. Okay, so this website tackles many courses that you want to pursue for your career. So these are their special featured sectors: tourism, healthcare, trainer's methodology, and other popular courses like cookery, food and beverages, housekeeping, and massage therapy. So guys, these are very helpful for you to know, and whatever you go or wherever you go, then definitely if you have certificate with from TESDA, then you have a much higher edge to be hired in the future. Okay, so first and foremost, I will show you on how to open an account. You have to click at this button, click here. Then it will guide you through the information. So you're going to type in your username in here. Let's say something that you want to you can remember. Alright, and then your password here. After that, you have to type in some details like your email address, first name, your surname. So there's no need for you to fill all these blanks here. It just needs you to fill this portion here with red asterisk. Alright? So after that, you can go to the bottom part. Here you can see the sex, civil status, employment status, birth date, birthplace, highest educational attainment, and age group. So guys, you have to fill all those required blanks here. Okay, no need to fill all those without an asterisk button. Okay, so in your complete permanent mailing address, you have to type and fill out your city or municipality, your province, region, and contact number. Furthermore, at this section, you can only fill out this one, your classifications, either this side. So you can just choose whether who you are you student, are you out of school youth, indigenous, OFW, or whatever. So you have to click it. And then for the privacy disclaimer, you have to choose to agree. Alright, you have to click agree and then click the I'm not a robot. Okay, definitely you are not a robot. Then create my account. By the time you click this portion, the TESDA will going to send you a link in your email address that you have provided at the top. So you have to make sure you can open your email address. They will send you the link on how to open that account. You have to confirm that link. Okay? After confirming that link, then you now have an online account. So after that, if you have an online account, you can now register at this portion. Okay? Here. And then your password. Oh, okay, you leave. And then you can go now to your online account. Since it's invalid, I think I forgot my password. So I guess that's all, guys. I guess I've taught you on how to open an account. Please open an account in TESDA online course. This will help you add additional skills and knowledge, and maybe you can use those knowledge and certificates that you are going to gather from TESDA soon if you want career opportunities or whatever. Guys, thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.